As you know, once you use iSearch.ai, you will get 3 different scores. One is based on your competitor descriptions, another based on your competitor patents, and the third one is based on general patents. In this video, we'll talk about the one based on your competitor patents. Our AI finds those US patent applications that are owned by your most relevant competitors. It then calculates the competitor patent score after comparing those patents to your idea. You will get a list of the top 10 related patents. If you click on each one of them, you will see that you get an excerpt of the patent, you get the US patent application number, and you even get the date of publication. And if you click on any of these patents, you will see the description of the patent, the title of the patent, and all that information. Also, you'll see that there's a number that's beside each patent. The lower this number, the less similar this patent to your idea is. This is great information because you will get to see what patents your competitors have filed for, so you can make your idea more unique.